In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive crypto on Revolut. So to receive crypto to your Revolut account, we need to first open up the application, click on crypto in the bottom navigation, and from here we can scroll down to the different coins and you need to go and select the coin that you want to receive. So for example, if you're going to be sending and receiving Bitcoin, then go and click it from the list. From the Bitcoin page, we can click on the three horizontal dots in the bottom right hand side, click on receive, and that's going to pop up with your Bitcoin wallet address. So what you can do here is just scan this QR code, or we can copy our bit address by clicking the copy icon, and then you can go and use this to go and receive Bitcoin. Now another thing you want to do is make sure the network is the same as the currency you're receiving. So if you're receiving Bitcoin, you need to make sure the network is set to Bitcoin, and you need to make sure that the money you're sending across is sent through the Bitcoin network. And it would be the same if you're transferring Ethereum. You need to make sure it's done through the Ethereum network. If you scroll down here, it will basically say this as well. You can only receive Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. If you deposit on the wrong network, your funds will be lost. So it's always a good idea just to send a small amount of funds to begin with. And if the payment's successful, then you can go and transfer the full balance. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you receive crypto on Revolut. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.